find that beautiful crystal of your deeper truth. The teacher can be that lantern which helps you along the way to find your crystal. How can I surround myself with like-minded people? It is so important because you gave the task to the mind. And then there will be that aha moment. What does my inner voice want to tell me, to guide me through that swirling pathway towards my crystal of my inner wisdom? Which kind of affirmations you can use in order to establish that process of deeper inner seeking truth within you, and finally find that beautiful crystal of your deeper truth, your specific truth, which will guide you further on and will move you towards the Wheel of Fortune card, where everything is revealed, your destiny is revealed, everything is super clear. So I am capable to find my inner truth. I am capable to find my inner truth. I can absolutely find my own way in this creation, and I will establish that way. I will find my teacher, whatever the teacher is, who will help me in the process. The teacher can be that lantern which helps you along the way to find your crystal, but the crystal has to be found by you, not by the teacher. So which are the questions which we can ask ourselves to establish the beautiful qualities of this card, that inner seeking of deeper truth within us, that establishment of inner ultimate truth, and which kind of questions that can help us to maintain it into our reality, so that we would finally find that crystal, the crystal of our inner wisdom. When we are burdened by all the outside knowledge and we want to create that our mosaic, maybe from all the puzzles of the outside reality, but our own mosaic, and find it and really live based on that deeper inner truth. So question number 1, how can I surround myself with like-minded people? It is so important. Am I surrounded right now with like-minded people? You don't need your deck for that. But how can I surround myself with like-minded people? That's a question. So you ask yourself a question, you look at your card, let's say it's the Hermit, or you pull any card from your deck, right? And you pull it based on that question, and you look at the symbol, which is the first one, because on the card there are multiple symbols, but you paid attention, let's say, to this lantern. So write down in your tarot journal a question and a symbol, lantern, and keep it somewhere on the back side of your mind. Then come back to it tomorrow, look at the same symbol and look at the same question, write down it again and look at it, study it. Eventually the association, the answer which is associated to that symbol as the answer to that question will come back to you, I promise you, because you gave the task to the mind. And just leave it there, and then there will be that aha moment, and you will say, yes, that is it. Then write it down, state that clarity for yourself. Now question number 2, what does my inner voice want to tell me? So you may use the same technique what I described to you before that. So what does my inner voice want to tell me? Question number 3. All right, so how can I connect to my deep spirit core? How can I connect to my deep spirit core? So these questions I would really use to guide me through that swirling pathway towards my crystal of my inner wisdom. On this pathway, you don't accept anyone as gurus. You only accept anyone here as teachers. What is the difference between a guru and a teacher? A teacher usually just says to you something and does not impose to you any kind of information. He doesn't hide from you anything. A guru may establish some secrecy or may impose into you something. It's only for those chosen by God. No. That's the difference, teacher and the guru. So know the difference and just know that you always want to be followed by your heart. Because guru says to you something, how to do, he knows, he's connected to God, and it's fine. Some people need that type of guruship, but Here I am talking to those who just are followed by the power of their heart and who are under the spell of this card, the Hermit, seeking for their inner hermitage, their inner truth.